Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a refreshing, mind-boosting recipe for my saffron, Silajeet and ginseng iced tea. This tea isn't just delicious but also packed with benefits of your body and mind. First off, we start with a base of black tea, which is not only refreshing but also contains antioxidants that support overall health. We infuse it with saffron, known for its vibrant color and most expensive spice, adding a touch of luxury to every sip. Next, we incorporate silajit, a powerful adaptogen that has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. It's believed to enhance vitality and provide essential minerals for overall well being. Then we introduce ginseng, a well known herb in Chinese medicine known for its adaptogenic properties. Ginseng is believed to improve energy level, reduce stress, and support cognitive function, making it a fantastic addition to this tea. To sweeten, we use monk fruit, a natural sweetener with zero calories and no impact on blood sugar level. It perfectly balances the herbal flavor for saffron, silajit, and ginseng without compromising on health. You can also add ginger in it if you want. By enjoying this saffron ginseng iced tea, you're not only treating yourself to a refreshing beverage but also nourishing your body with natural goodness. Stay tuned as I show you how to make this delicious and beneficial tea. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about benefits. The black tea and saffron in this recipe are rich in antioxidants, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Silajit and ginseng are both known to boost energy levels, enhance stamina, and support overall vitality. Ginseng is an adaptogen that may help your body better cope with stress, promoting a sense of calm and balance. Monk fruit sweetener provides sweetness without the drawback of sugar, making this tea a guilt free treat. It's very hard to be outside. It's about I think 95 to 98 degree. When I got home, when I checked my refrigerator, there was no iced tea. I always drink iced tea, and there was no iced tea. So I said, let me make my own iced tea, delicious, refreshing, and healthy. Looks good. Finally add some ice cubes in it and put in the fridge for a few hours. Okay, all set. It's going inside the refrigerator. Sit there for an hour at least and you're ready to go. Enjoy the ice. Let's enjoy my iced tea. So fill it up with the ice. Tea. A little decoration. And here's your iced tea ready. Enjoy. So refreshing. Wow. And if you want to make Long Island iced tea, just add half ounce of vodka, half ounce of tequila, half ounce of rum, and half ounce of gin, and 1 ounce of lime juice. Mix it in a shaker and serve it chilled, and your Long Island iced tea is ready. So guys, enjoy your iced tea and enjoy your Long Island iced tea as well. Enjoy your weekend. I have got a refreshing saffron ginseng iced tea recipe packed with benefits. But if you are in mood for something a bit more spirited, check out the full recipe for turning this into a delicious Long Island iced tea in the description below. And now you know how to make both versions.